Kung akala mo, kailangan mong magpakapagod para yumaman sa agency business, mali ka. Huli ka na. Everyone wants to start an agency pero 90% bumabagsak within the first year. At bakit? Kasi they are working in the business, not on the business. Today, ibibigay ko sa inyo ang 3 things na sana alam ko na nung nagsimula pa lang ako. Makinig ka dahil baka ito ang magliligtas sa bank account mo. Lesson 1. Akala ko dati kapag may 1 million revenue ka, rich ka na. No. Kung ang gastos mo naman is 950k, 50k lang ang natira sa'yo, pagod ka pa, you need to focus on profitability. Don't be fooled by clout. Build a lean, mean, profitable machine. Learn the numbers. Manage the cash flow. Lesson 2. You are not a business owner. You're just a glorified freelancer. Kung ikaw pa rin ang gumagawa ng graphics, SEO, at pati pa pagre-reply sa mga emails. Leverage is the name of the game. You need SOPs or standard operating procedures. Ang goal mo, maging replaceable ka sa sarili mong kumpanya. Kung hindi tatakbo ang agency na wala kang negosyo. May trabaho ka lang. Lesson 3. Stop trying to serve everyone. Kapag sinabi mong we do everything for everyone, you are a commodity. Be the specialist. Choose a niche and dominate it. Google rewards authority in 2026. So guys, if you're a generalist, you're a target. And if you're a specialist, you're a solution, and solution are expensive. Pagod ka na ba sa trial and error? Huwag mong sayangin ang taon na to. Sa School of Profits, hindi lang kami nagtuturo ng theory. We give you the actual blueprints from mindset to sales mastery hanggang operation. We have the Scale Your Agency courses na design para magkaroon ka ng system on autopilot. So, no more guesswork, let's execute, at hindi mo kailangan magkamali gaya ko. Pwede kang dumiretso sa tagumpay. So, visit schoolofprofits.ph and let's build your empire. Huwag kang papayag na maging average. Click the link in the description below.